Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: KYC approved, 2FA enabled, and your wallet linked. Once done, open Probo and go straight to the trade bonus panel to claim. Don't linger. You must select the exact eligible asset and accept terms. Make sure you understand minimum trade size and the bonus cap before placing any orders. This first step locks eligibility so subsequent trades count toward the bonus. Act deliberately to avoid invalidating the offer. Next, execute trades that actually qualify. You should place market or limit orders that meet the minimum size and specify the eligible pair. Probo often excludes leveraged or derivatives positions. If the bonus requires volume within a window, split orders across that window rather than one big trade. This prevents slippage barriers. Once orders confirm, monitor fills and fee deductions. Make sure your order types and sizes match the bonus rules. So Probo attribute. Finally, verify the bonus credit in your rewards or balance section after Probo's processing window ends. This can take minutes or days depending on terms. Once credited, confirm the calculation against eligible volume, fee adjustments, and cap limits to ensure accuracy. If the bonus doesn't appear, file a support ticket and include trade ID, timestamps, and screenshots. Escalate promptly. A single clear troubleshooting tip: keep raw confirmations and avoid canceling qualifying trades, because cancellations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.